Hey guys, welcome to Weekly Crypto. Today I'm going to talk about EOS Airdrop as well as Populous Airdrop. Also, I will touch on Bitcoin and also where the top 1%, the high net worth individual, where do they buy their Bitcoin. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop, hard fork, and ICO. So just to remind you guys, we have a Loopring airdrop coming up. So you can go back to my previous video. I will also post the link below so you don't miss out this airdrop. Loopring is a pretty cool project. Also, Loopring chain, they're selling the AI mining machine. So if you're interested to buy one of those machines, you can reserve a machine here. So this is a pretty interesting project as well. And let's get back to the airdrop. So EON airdrop is coming up and they already take a snapshot. So EON is essentially a high-speed blockchain operating system. So currently the EOS system, you can run 4,000 transactions per second. With EON, you can do the entire network to reach over 100,000 transactions per second. And eventually they can do 1 million, more than 1 million transactions per second. So this is a pretty, so if they claim what they can do, this will be a very good project. So they're going to do an airdrop. So if you're a EOS token holder and your EOS is in the MyEther wallet, then you are eligible for this airdrop. Also, you have to register your token beforehand. This was done a long time ago because I remind my subscriber a long time ago before the mainnet launch. Make sure you have your token in MyEther wallet and also register in the EOS.io website. So you're going to get the airdrop. So it will be one-to-one airdrop on user holding more than 100 EOS. And also, they're going to take a snapshot at June 1st, which was already done. So they're going to do the airdrop earlier June. Another airdrop is Karma. Where's Karma? So Karma is a pretty interesting project. So they're going to do an airdrop on June 2nd and a snapshot on June 2nd, and then the airdrops on June. And it doesn't limit like how many coins you have to have in order to eligible. So for every 1 year, you're going to get 6 Karma token. So this project is basically a dApps on the EOS platform. It's a decentralized application, and it's designed to incentivize users to do good work in the world. And then you receive karma for helping out the mankind. So for example, you're setting up a surprise birthday party for a friend. Today I decided to feed a goat and taught my friend how to use Adobe Photoshop. So in return, you're going to get some karma token. So you earn karma by doing something awesome to help out others. And then you can earn karma as a witness, validate the good deeds of others. You can also give karma to friends, family, or anyone you feel deserve for doing good in the world. So this is very interesting. So they're going to have apps in the cell phone. There's a different categories you can help out, and then you can send karma and also receive karma as well. And here I spent 3 hours teaching my friend WordPress today. She's a pro right now. And then they have a location where you can help out and earn some karma. So the roadmap here is EOS.io Genesis block snapshot already token and karma token creation, and then they're going to post their code in GitHub. And they already present karma and the I think Topnic conference in San Francisco, and they're going to airdrop to EOS token holder during the conference, and also they airdrop to the EOS token holder, and also the conference people who go to the conference also get airdrop as well. And Q3 they're going to release minimum viable product. Q4 they're going to have business partner integration. So this is a pretty cool project, seems like. And another project is Populous. So Populous is like an invoice factoring services. So just in case you don't know what is invoice factoring, it's basically, for example, a small to medium-sized business. They want to they want cash flow. For example, they sell some goods to the department store like Macy's or big department store. Then there's an account receivable. For example, $100 account receivable to be collect those money from the department store in 60 days or 90 days, right? So, and the small business, somehow they need some cash flow. So in return, they're going to sell this invoice to the bank. Right now, the current structure is you sell the invoice to the bank at a discount price. For example, the invoice is 1,000. You sell to the bank probably 800 or 700 at a discount price, and then the bank will pay you right away. And then the bank will collect this invoice from Macy's or from where after 90 days, 90 or 60 days, depending on the terms of the invoice, the account receivable. So this is how the bank make money from the small business through the invoice factoring services. So this is a very big business in the bank, and right now Populous is basically disrupt these financial institution using the blockchain, utilizing the blockchain technology. So anyway, so hold on. Wait. So right now they're going to give out airdrop. I think this is pretty subtle. There's no official announcement. Somehow in Twitter, Steve is the founder and CEO of Populous. He mentioned one of the criteria for the second airdrop is hodling PPT, which is Populous token, before 15th of June. So in case you have Populous in the exchange, make sure you transfer your token to the MyEther wallet or ERC20 compatible wallet. So I don't know if you guys received the PXD token last year around October or December. As long as you have certain amount of Populous token in your wallet, the airdrop is automatically to your MyEther wallet. So that was last year or around October or November. They give out airdrops already, and this is the second airdrop of the PPT. So you have to hold on to your token before June 15 and make sure it is in your wallet that you hold your private key. Also, they already the first invoice repaid successfully. They already closed out the first invoice on the blockchain. So this is a pretty interesting project with actual use case, and it's potentially disrupt the bank as well. So we'll see how it goes. So let me know what you think about this as well. And let's get to the so let's talk about a little bit about super crypto. And so he tweeted about five hours ago that expiration day again. Is it the Bitcoin future expiration day? I'm just guessing. So agency investigate gold manipulation for years. They did not find anything wrong with it. Well, come on. There's a whole bunch of manipulation in gold price, in silver price, in uranium market. It's everywhere. So this is, to me, it's just a waste of time, Why investigate the person who is doing the manipulation? Hello. Crypto will be different. Manipulators will be found on the exchange. I need not explain what happens then. He's just being sarcastic anyway. Everybody know who is manipulating the market, right? So if you watch my previous video, I talk about super crypto make a call for. So he basically super crypto make a call for 95% correction when Bitcoin was 20,000. 70% is in. I feel we have yet to see the final capitulation. So he made the right call. And when 20,000, when he said there will be 95% correction, people are laughing at him and all that. But well, it comes true. Just like one of my friends telling people that before the financial crisis in 2005, there will be a big collapse, and I think he cashed out all his stock or whatever out of the stock market before 2000, I think around 2005, and everybody laughing at him and all that, and he put everything into gold, and see what happened in 2008. So those people who see things ahead of the time avoid the downturn or the financial collapse. So you got to look ahead of the time, not just like what the news are talking about. When the news is there, it's already too late. So you sell on the news basically, right? So basically when those media tell you stuff, it's too late. And also whatever they tell you, you do the opposite. So every single time. So they are not there for you. You know, those media is owned by large corporations. So they are not in your best interest. So anyway, so here CryptoMed talk about the price manipulators that are currently being investigated by damn nearly every federal agency in America, are trying to ban the close on yet another future expiration date. Well, that's pretty cool. That's pretty interesting. So it sums it all, right, basically. Anyway, so let's get back to so I'm going to talk about the smart money and OTC trading. So how the 1% buy crypto. So the 1%, the high net worth individual, not an average Joe, they don't buy it on the exchange. They buy it over the counter. It's off the exchange. And you cannot track their volume, their price, everything stay private. So who exactly are the ultra rich and what is the smart money? From Credit Risk 2017 Global Wealth Report, the ultra rich are the 150,000 people worldwide, and they are at the top of the international wealth pyramid with a net worth over 50 million. So this ultra rich keep a diversified portfolio for a variety of reasons. One of them is that they understand the markets always move in cycle and they know where you are in the cycle. It's the key to profiting, handling risks, and staying sane. So these are the fortunes to be made during the boom and bust cycle, right? The smart money knows that, quietly buying at the bottom where everyone else is panicking, freaking out, selling high, and everyone is panicking, and then they're selling high before the cycle turns. When they are selling high, we're a lot of average Joe probably buying at a time. So that is what the reverse. This is the reverse what the ultra rich are doing. The smart money. So when everybody is panicking, you should be buying instead of selling. When everybody is so euphoria, you should be selling, right? So, but sometimes it's difficult. Like sometimes emotion, all this thing. I mean, investing, the game of investing is more on the emotion side. I mean, you can do all the technical analysis, but then if your emotion doesn't in control, you're going to lose money, right? And also in the market, technical analysis can also do to a certain extent, because in crypto market, things are so, in a very, it's very sentiment. I mean, it's very totally irrational, basically, sometimes. And also, crypto market is not a very big market. And with such a small market and not that many average Joe participate or whatever, the market is highly manipulated. But if you have more people participate into the crypto market, then it will be less likely the market can be manipulated. But right now, the market can be easily manipulated by whales, unfortunately. So anyway, and so their money, the smart money, invests strategically at the right time with appropriate information about its future play out. Should be thought as smart money. So they plan ahead what they're going to do. They anticipate the changes. They're not reacted to any changes. They anticipate what's going to happen. That's how you make money, not reacted to what's going on right now. So however, as mentioned, one of the key to profit making is scooping up the cheap asset without too much noise. So big moves or sudden shaking will attract unnecessary attention and competition. So the ultra rich need to cover their direct exposure, which require a sophisticated network of dealers, brokers, and middlemen. So global wealth and Bitcoin markets, when venture capitalists, those VCs start betting on cryptos, it is safe to say that the big money is about to arrive on the scene. The important question is to ask them, how will it get there? In 2017, the world's wealth was estimated to be around 280 trillion. So the entire crypto market cap was around 17 billion. So just imagine if 0.1% of the global wealth at the time is 280 billion had tried to come into the crypto market. It would create a massive shakeup, and it cannot happen. Hence, it cannot happen at once or all in the same place. Because if just 280 billion just go to the crypto market, it will probably boost up the market, or when they all come in. So they have to do it quietly. So even so, very large order that through the exchange would still cause problem, and as a result, buying costs more and selling yield less. So even with a total market cap, this article is written on January. Oh my God, we have a 770 billion market cap. Today we only have 283, I believe, 284 billion market cap. So we dropped by more than half of the market cap. That's crazy. Anyway, so over-the-counter trading are not made in regular exchange. So just imagine a billionaire want to buy 1% of their net worth into cryptocurrency. It will either boost up the market and everything. Now imagine 10 billionaire or multi-millionaire trying to get together and buy those stuff. So I don't think it's a good idea, because it will go up so high if they do that. And on the opposite side, they can dump it as well, right? So they can dump everything to the market and then crash the market as well. So what happens is that if they buy OTC and they find a guy who knows a guy, second guy is willing to sell a few million worth of Bitcoin, but his price is going to be higher than what's happening on the exchange. And to them, it doesn't matter. They have plenty of money to burn, right? So the trade goes outside of the regular market. The volume activity doesn't show up on the exchange. So those are stay private. So those are offline. So those volume, those OTC, we don't know. Nobody knows who buy it, and nobody knows the volume. And those are private individual. They buy it from certain. For example, they buy from Qtum mining or Genesis mining. They buy directly from the miners, and they don't have to give out those information to the public, so we don't know. So this broker and OTC are selling trust and settle for fee anywhere from 1 to 5% for high net worth individuals, and others try to get privacy and security. So if you buy from the OTC, so you stay private, so nobody knows anything. And also security as well. You don't want to get hacked as well, right? So as far as back in 2013, for example, a single customer bought about 15 million worth of Bitcoin, which is around 25,000 in total. And this one trade increased the BTC price, the Bitcoin price, from 527 to 753. It's nearly wow. Trade of 500 to 700 Bitcoin are common, and trade of 2,000 to 5,000 Bitcoin to hedge position are not unheard of, right? So what basically you see in a regular exchange and general media is only part of the story. So you have to fully inform yourself that you have to keep an eye on what the smart money is doing as well. So sometimes we cannot just focus on technical analysis, the chart, focus on the chart on anything, because this OTC is not reflected on the chart as well. So not only, fundamental analysis is also important as well, but TA is only, technical analysis is only going to a certain extent. But with the market, it is so sentimental. TA should not be in a, should not be in a high, when you evaluate something, TA should not be just only one of the, the reason why you buy or sell something. You also take into consideration of some other factor as well. And let's see. So this is the top 100 richest Bitcoin address. So the number one, this is in a Bitfinance Cold Wallet. So this wallet has over 188,000 Bitcoin, and it worth about 1 billion. And the first in is in 2017, January 5th. Last in is in 2018, April 13. And number of ins is around over 4,007 ins, and out is over 4,000 out as well. So the next one is over, there's 137,000 BTC. It worth about 1 billion. And first in is 2016. It's in 2016, February 27. And then the last in is 2018, April 12. First out is November 16, 2016. Last out is 2018, April 12. So you can go on and on. This first in is 2017, September 8. And you can see some of the Bitcoin wallet. You can see 2011. Oh, this is a multi-millionaire Bitcoin. 2011 March, and there's no outflow. Basically, they just put in a wallet, and this guy has about, this wallet has about 79,000 BTC. And this one is in 2014, and this one is on 2013, and 2014, 2013, 2013, 2016, 2014. Basically, there's no outflow. This is all inflow of Bitcoin. So they never move the Bitcoin out of the wallet. So when you look at the wallet, I'm just thinking, just be patient, right? So during 2013, they're probably ups and downs, just like right now. So 2013 at the time, so from $91, and then $100, 97, 121, 131, 130, and then it goes all the way to 800 at the end of 2013. Actually go to 1,000, 2013. And then December, from 1,000 becomes 600, and then becomes 752, 833. And then February 5th, 2014, 821, and then go down to 600. So, and then go, oh wow. So 2014 August, it go to all the way to 400, 493, 500, 482. By October 2017, it go to 326. And then the end of 2014 is almost 374. So from 1,000, from 2013 to 2014, from 1,000 it go all the way to around like 374. So you can see there's a boom and bust cycle too. And on 2015 March 5th, it's around 267. So you can see, 267 go all the way, blah blah blah, and then 2016 it go to 459. So the price is fluctuating. So, the price is fluctuating so much. So people who are holding, those people holding, they don't even care. They just hold it, right? They don't even care. So, I mean, right now, if you look at day to day and all that, I mean, there's no point. I mean, for investor who make big money, they have patience and they hold it long term. But right now we have so much hype and all this media. They want to make quick money, the Lambo and all everything. You just want one Lambo, right? But anyway, so here there's a lot of like boom and bust cycle too. When you go back to the 2013 it's 2013 is almost 1,000. And then you go all the way to 2015, it becomes 300. Bitcoin is 300. And then you go to 2016, it becomes 800 again. And right now you go all the way right now to almost, and then 20,000 right now, it goes all the way to 6,000 right now. So there's a lot of boom and bust cycle. So, but it's amazing. You can see those people holding on Bitcoin since 2013 and some of them 2011. This is pretty interesting. So hey, let me know what you think about the upcoming airdrop, the EON project. Do you think this is a good project? Also, Karma. Do you like Karma, this project? This is on EOS platform as well. And what do you think about Populous as well? This is invoice factoring services. This is a pretty interesting project as well. Also, the Bitcoin price, do you think this is highly manipulated? There's tons of manipulation right now. And so what's your prediction of Bitcoin price at the end of 2018? So please comment below if you find this video helpful, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can support my channel as well. And also share with your friends. So be sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop hard fork ICO. Remember, we the people take control of money. I'm not a financial advisor. Please use your due diligence to invest your money, and remember, stay wise, stay safe.